Hey guys, welcome back. So I finally got done with a power hour. It was easier than I thought it'd be. Usually I have to stop and I had tried a power hour before, but it didn't work out so well because I have a 5-month-old. But today I finally got it done. I got everything on my list done, actually with time to spare. I started at 12:45 and I got done at 1:36. So I washed the kids' comforters. They didn't get dried all the way, but I did get them in the washer. I cleaned the refrigerator. I cleaned the microwave, cleaned the door in the dining room, vacuumed the couches, and I cleaned off my washer and dryer. So I did get a lot done in those few minutes. So I just wanted to take y'all along and show y'all how it went. And I hope y'all enjoy, and I hope it gets you motivated.
Into the great unknown. Let's escape. Let's escape. Let's escape.
And I'd really been needing to wipe down my fridge, so I was just taking everything out, and then I was going to spray it with some bleach cleaner just to make sure it was disinfected, and then put everything back. And I also washed out the drawers because I've just always done that when I clean the fridge, and that's about it. So I'm just going to take everything out and wipe that down really good.
These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape. Let's escape.
Next, I was going to clean my microwave, and to do that, sometimes I just use water, but sometimes I like to use a lemon just to freshen it up. So I'm using 1 lemon, 1 cup of water, and then I just put it in the microwave for 5 minutes, and it almost like steam cleans it, so that way I just have to go in with a towel and wipe it down. There's no scrubbing. I don't have to spray anything in there. So that's how I've been cleaning my microwave, and so I just wanted to show y'all that. My laundry room is just staying such a mess. I'm actually in the process of redoing it. Well, I'm just putting some shelves here, and then I'm going to put some shelves on the other side, and I'll show y'all what it all looks like when it gets done. But for right now, I'm just piling everything into a crate, and then I'll eventually put the shelves up and get it organized.